Hey guys, it's Justin here, and welcome back to Rev and Explore Powersports Previews. Today I'm excited to bring you the all-new 2024 Kawasaki Ridge HVAC Limited Edition model. Now this thing is a powerhouse built for the toughest tasks and terrains. But before we dive into this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Powersport previews and reviews coming soon. Now, one of the most impressive things about the all-new Ridge from Kawasaki is at the heart is a insane powerhouse of a 999cc inline 4-cylinder motor. Now that beast is actually putting out 92 horsepower. Designed for high power and torque, this engine provides precise speed control and power delivery. Designed for low vibration and noise, giving you that distinct exhaust note that true enthusiasts crave. The HVAC Limited Edition model has a 1,000-pound bed capacity with actual detachable tailgate, giving you plenty of storage for any task. Another nice feature about this specific machine is it also has a 2,500-pound towing capacity, which is pretty impressive, as well as an actual backup camera, rear view camera, allowing you to see that payload. Now moving on to the inside, let's take a look at some of the impressive features that Kawasaki has paired this machine with, as well as the 7-inch TFT display for all your instrumentation. But if that's not enough for you, they've also paired it with an 8-inch Garmin tread, so you do have access for any kind of navigation features right there on the center dash. Now that 7-inch TFT display does have connectivity via Bluetooth to the Kawasaki Rideology app, so it's even easier to stay connected out there on the trails. But one of the very most impressive things about the new Ridge, on the HVAC model, you do have a full heater and air conditioning unit built into the machine. Now if that isn't enough, the limited edition also comes with a built-in sound system mounted to the roof of the machine, allowing you to jam out to the music going down the trails. Another nice feature about this full cab HVAC model, it does come stock with powered windows for your built-in hard doors. Now along with the back glass on your machine, Kawasaki has paired it with the front tempered automotive glass windshield with windshield wiper kit built in. Moving on to the front aggressive styling of the Kawasaki Ridge, they went ahead and paired your trail cam on top of your brush guard in the front, hovering above that Warren 4,500-pound winch, so you do have pulling power for any situation you might come in contact with. So whether you're working hard or playing hard, you can easily tell that the new 2024 Kawasaki HVAC Limited Edition Ridge will meet any of those challenges. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Rev and Explore Powersports Previews. We have more exciting content coming your way, and don't forget, every adventure starts with a rev.